now Rose is making chapati.
Yeah.
Yes. That's the way they make a chapati.
Yes.
Mauna na siya ang last, guys.
And chapati.
Now I know. Quickly, Rose.
Yes.
Yeah.
I will-
Say hi to your fans, Rose.
Hi. How are you guys?
Yes. Enjoy watching
Mm-hmm.
Rose recipes for today.
Yeah.
We're done. Actually, I'm done cooking pancake. So it's Rose's
Cooking chapati.
turn. Iwa. Look at that one, guys. Look at that.
And make rice for
So yummy. Masarap, Rose. Masarap.
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 Yeah, it's yummy. Yummy in English.
Oh,
Or delicious.
Yummy.
Yeah. Lami
Yeah, masarap
in Tagalog.
Filipino.
Yeah. Lami in Bisaya. Lami. Say lami.
Lami.
Lami kaayo.
Lami kayo.
Very good.
Lami kayo.
Lami kayo, guys.
Lami kayo, like.
Lami kaayo, guys.
Lami kayo, guys.
Yeah.
Lami kayo, guys.
How many pieces did you make?
10 pieces.
10 pieces?
Yeah.
Oh. Good for how many days? Or on
1 day. 1 day.
1 day only?
Yeah.
Only for Rose? Oh, Ewa?
For Joy and Rose and
Nancy. Yeah. With dancing pa yan, guys. O,
Yeah.
diba? A dancing chef.
Yeah.
Chef. Dancing chef. Ewa. Mabatok jud na, Rose. Mabatok jud na. Imuhang kuan giluto. Okay, see you next